students, next part of lecture 4, IUPAC nomenclature. This is exercise question 1. Here you can see this compound CH3, CH3, CH3. So we have to write down the systematic name of this compound, that's IUPAC name. You can see here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon atoms in the chain. There are 3 carbon atoms in the chain, and here you can see this methyl group. Here you can see this methyl group as a substituent. So at carbon number 2 there is a substituent methyl group. You can read it like this: 2-methyl, and the chain is comprising of 3 carbon atoms, so we can write it 3-methyl propane. 3-methyl propane. Next one you can see it here: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, यहाँ से CH3 एंड यहाँ पे CH3. देखिए यहाँ इस स्ट्रक्चर में आप यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड भी देख सकते हैं. You can see the double bond here. So first priority we have to give to this double bond. We have not to exclude this double bond from the chain. We have to consider this in the chain. So rest of these CH3, CH2, this will be considered as a substituent. So we have to include in the chain this double bond, and we have to start the numbering from this side so that this double bond gets minimum numbering. So starting from here, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So and it's lined here, the longest chain. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the circle, this is a substituent. Again, one more substituent, and here you can see CH2, CH3. This is also a substituent. So this is the chain, longest chain. So we will start from first of all we will write down the name of the substituents. This is methyl, and this is ethyl. So first of all we will write down according to IUPAC rule. Ethyl, we will write down the name of the ethyl that lies on the second carbon atom. 2-ethyl, 4, again 4 according to IUPAC rule. 4, 4, 2 methyl groups. So dimethyl, and number of carbon atoms in the longest chain. There are 6 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hex, and since there is the double bond that is between first and second, so we have to write down first carbon atom here. Hex 1-ene, hex 1-ene. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound: 2-ethyl, 4,4 dimethyl hex 1-ene. Next one, it is given in the line angle formula structure. Here carbon, 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 carbon. Here's carbon, here's carbon. You can see I have already explained during the previous lectures. This line angle formula. I have drawn one more structure for your convenience. This line angle structure is drawn in the. I have drawn the complete structure of this line angle structure. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. Here this is CH2, CH3, and here you can see this carbon 2 methyl groups are lying on this carbon atom. CH3, CH3, and again CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3. You can write it down like this also: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, and here is this carbon 2 methyl groups: CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. So it looks easy now to name this compound. This is substituent, 2 methyl groups as substituents. Here you can see this 1 methyl group as substituent. So we are supposed to number this. Dear students, according to IUPAC rule, we have to start numbering from this side so that the substituent get minimum numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4-ethyl. According to rule, we have to write down the name of ethyl group first because it is alphabetically ahead. 4-ethyl, 3 dimethyl, and heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptane. 4-ethyl, 3 dimethyl, heptane. 4-ethyl, 3 dimethyl, heptane. 7 carbon atoms. Fourth one, CH3. C, triple bond C, and then CH2, CH, here CH3 and CH3. Dear students, here we have to give the preference from this side because triple bond lies here on this side nearest. So we have to start numbering from this side because of the presence of this triple bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write it down like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No issue. इसको भी चेन में लिख सकते हैं तो फिर ये सबस्टिट्यूएंट बनेगा. अगर इसको चेन में लेंगे तो ये सबस्टिट्यूएंट बनेगा. सो हमने यहाँ पे दिस इज द चेन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be considered as substituent. Here CH3 is as substituent because it is not included in the numbering. So you can write down the name of this compound: 5-methyl. 5-methyl, 5वें carbon पे methyl group, and 6 carbon atoms, that means hex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is triple bond that's between 2 to 3 carbon atoms, so we have to write 2Y&E because it's triple bond. So 5-methyl hex 2Y&E. This is the name of this compound. Yes, students, next is the topic subtopic of alkyl substituents. alkyl substance. As you already know that alkyl group means one hydrogen removed from any alkane, that gives alkyl. Alkyl groups have formula CnH2n plus 1, whereas alkanes have formula CnH2n plus 2. You can see here methane, one hydrogen less, CH3 methyl group, C2H6 ethane, one hydrogen removed, it becomes ethyl group. So C3H8, one hydrogen less, C3H7 propyl, C4H10 butane, one hydrogen less, C4H9, it becomes butyl. Not written here, butyl. Butyl. Here is the compound structure. You can see CH3, CH3. Dear students, this is a very special case. One hydrogen is removed from the central atom. One hydrogen is removed from central carbon atom. So we can name it like this: isopropyl. This is a very special case for propyl. Isopropyl. Whenever any hydrogen atom is removed from central atom from propane, that's called isopropyl. If it would have been if it is removed from side carbon atom, then you can name it as normal propyl. Here you can see the IUPAC name of this isopropyl: CH3, CH3. Take this CH3 as a substituent and start numbering. Give the numbering. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So substituent, as you know, it is not given any number. 1, 2. So this will be as substituent. So you can name it like this: 1. That's 1 methyl. That's 1 methyl group at carbon number 1, and total number of carbon atoms in the chain ethyl, because it is short of one hydrogen atom. That's why it's called that is called ethyl. So 1 methyl, and total of 2 carbon atoms ethyl. This is the IUPAC name of isopropyl. IUPAC name of isopropyl is 1 methyl ethyl. This is very special. ये बहुत सारे आगे आने वाले कंपाउंड्स में इसका नाम आएगा, so इसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. इट्स वेरी स्पेशल. Dear students, फिर से मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, this is CH3, CH2, CH2. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, you can see here one hydrogen atom is removed from side carbon atom, so this is normal. And propyl. I have wrote it again, CH3, CH3. So this take it as a substituent. This is isopropyl. Isopropyl, as I already told you, that whenever one hydrogen atom is removed from central atom from propane, that becomes isopropyl, and its IUPAC name is 1 methyl ethyl. 1 methyl ethyl. This is the substituent here. You can write it like this: CH3, CH3. Isopropyl, as you know. If we start numbering from this side, 1, 2, then this methyl group becomes at carbon number 2. The name becomes 2 methyl ethyl, but this is wrong name because we have to give the substituent minimum numbering. That's why 2 is not correct. So this is correct. 1 methyl ethyl. 1 methyl ethyl is the correct name of isopropyl. One more thing I would like to share with you, that iso group is here. CH3, CH3. This is called iso group. It's very important to remember. That's all in this video. Thank you very much.